Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to unbox and review this amazing mechanical keyboard. So this keyboard is basically a Shadow Blade, which is a product of Redgear, which comes with a really amazing features. This keyboard also have macros support, which we can set through its software or manually. It has total 104 keys, that means it is a full size keyboard and it takes good amount of space on your desk. Here you can see we also have a wrist support, which will let us type for a long time without any pain. Then we have its menu and a tool to untie its keys, though we can easily remove the keys through our fingers. And we also have this Redgear sticker. It have a braided cable with a gold plated USB. It have a knob to control play, pause and volume, like basically everyday use multimedia keys, which just looks amazing. Believe me guys, it helps during gaming and binge watching, like if you are watching any movie, it is easily to control the volume. So here we can easily remove the key and you can see it has a blue switches. These switches are a bit louder and it gives a tactile feedback. Then here we have multimedia keys. You can easily control the brightness and speed of LED lights. Just use FN plus up or down button for the brightness and FN plus left or right for the speed of the LEDs. Now here you can see all the brightness modes, which are total 22 modes and can be used using FN plus print screen button. Is just awesome. By the way, the brightness is very decent, not too high, which looks perfect. It also have window key lock support as well, like using FN plus window key. Here you can see we have M1, M2, G1, G2, G3 and all those keys. These are for the macros. You can set the macros manually as well, but I will suggest you to use its software, which you can download from its official website, and we will also see how to use that software to set up macros in a little bit. Here you can see the official software for this keyboard. You can change the LED lights mode very easily and you can set the macro keys on different buttons, and we can also set predefined functions like copy, paste, move, window key and all those things. We can also change delay between each keys. If you are planning to buy mechanical keyboard, then this is a must buy product. It cost me around 2500 rupees when I bought it from the Amazon. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.